Good morning, everyone. Captain Joseph again. Welcome to Wake Up and Shine. Today's topic is sleep. Lot of people suffer from not getting enough sleep, and lot of people suffer from lot of diseases, whether it is cancer, whether it is diabetes, arthritis, spondylitis, you name the thing, they are suffering from so many diseases. They do everything, like say I see people who come for our 21 days program, and there they recover fine, they lose their all medicines and everything, but after going back, so many things fallen back. Why? They seen it, they experienced the recovery, then why one should go back? Because in that place it's like a sterile area, like we have a schedule, there's no TV there, there's no, so by keeping them busy till morning to evening, and they're tired by 9 o'clock, 9:30, they are dead and they go to the sleep. Okay, so sleep, whether you agree with me or not, it is a major part of your life. You can disagree with me, like my daughter itself, resist that sometimes, Netflix, this episode, and end up finishing it at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and thereafter, it suffers and all. But slowly, so it's not necessary everybody will listen to me, okay, but there will be one person who wants this information. I am only targeting that particular person who want to recover, who want some help. Okay, so sleep, you do whatever right, if you are not getting sleep, gone waste. It's like a painting on an ice block. Okay, whatever you paint, it's keep on going. So sleep. And by the way, if you want to have a beauty, again you have to sleep. And in fact 10 to 11 or 10 to 12, the sleep is called beauty sleep. If you want to skin to radiate, if you want to have a beautiful look and young looking skin, you have to sleep between 10 to 12 minimum. Okay, now what happens, why sleep is so important? Because we are not evolved as such, we can adapt to sleep, we can live without sleep. Okay, there is books on only 3 hours sleep is required, 4 hours sleep is required, but they must be doing something else right. Okay, we are not doing neither that, or not, we are not sleeping also. Okay, so by sunset, every birds and every animals other than the nocturnal, which night hunting, rest all goes to sleep, rest. Same case for humans also. In fact, you should finish off your food by sunset, or maybe by 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock maximum. Then you should have at least 2 to 3 hours gap. Otherwise what happens, it's like a car, you park it in the garage without switching off the engine. What will happen? It will run for a few years, 2 years maximum, then engine will gong off. Same thing, you eat at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock and you go to sleep immediately, better you don't sleep. You do something productive at that time. If you want to reverse diseases, if you want to have a good health, you should have a minimum 2 hours to 3 hours gap before going to sleep, so that by the time you sleep, your food is digested, and the blood, when you lie parallel, that's the time the blood can circulate all over your body. The healing starts that time. So now if you eat immediately and you're sleeping, that means body is not going for circulation, it is in the process of digesting. So if you're 10 o'clock, you eat the food and you sleep by 11 o'clock, body is in the digestion process. So then you will not get a good sleep. So if you want to have a good sleep, eat light and eat early and go to sleep. Now it's very difficult, suddenly if I'm telling a person who sleeps at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, it's very difficult. Now think about when you are studying a college or school, when you get a good sleep, when his exam is over, or when do you get a good sleep? When you are reading a book. Use that, go to the bed, take a book, and if it is more boring, much better. Don't read a fiction and some suspense thriller, then you will be adrenaline pumped, you're not able to sleep. Okay, so take no gadgets, at least 1 hour before sleep. No gadgets, all the gadgets should be out. No TV, because TV, the picture it playing, and whole night you will be dreaming related to this thing. Okay, so before going to sleep, your gadget should be out. Read a book, nice book, okay, or listen to some audio, good audio. There's a YouTube, so many this thing, good audio of half an hour, or there is a meditation video, something like that, whatever suits you. I know you may not sleep, but go lie down in the bed and just listen to it or just read it. I can guarantee you will go into sleep. Make a habit. Make sure the world doesn't stop. People might ridicule you, like your friends. If you're youngsters, you're like, what you sissy, don't behave like a sissy, you're going to sleep at this time. Please, when you suffer, they are not to help you out. You yourself has to suffer. Okay, your bad health and the thing. And trust me, when you are 12 years, 13 years, how much energy you had, how energetic you are doing, playing around. Why you want to lose that? Don't you think if your energy at 40 years or 50 years, you can do much better? Why you want to lethargic life? I cannot do anything. No, you can play football, you can play squash, you can go to the garden, you go to the farm, you can do so many things, and you can be an inspiration for others. Don't just think about yourself. Okay, you can be role model for your kids going at sleep, and so try to go sleep before 10 o'clock. Initially 1 week may be difficult because you are not used to it, but it is nothing. That's the best part of human. We can adapt. You have to think here. You have to take a decision here. You have to think the positive. What if my lethargy is gone? My mornings are better. What all I can do? If that you put that as your dream, that as your target, then this will be easy. Just listening to me and start doing, no, it will not work. You require to see energetic people who works and what is their and you get up by 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, fine, and you do whatever you want. If you want to watch a Netflix at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, do it. I'm not encouraging it, but if that is the case, do it. If that satisfies you, do it. But go to the sleep by 10 o'clock. And once in a while, if you want to give a company to your friends, go, do it. Like late night party, this thing. But trust me, if you do this for 1 month, and once you go for this late night party, you will not like it. You will be zombie anyway, but that your body will tell to yourself how to react it and all. So try to sleep by 10 o'clock for healing your body. Now, if reading book doesn't solve your purpose, stopping gadgets don't solve your purpose, and listening to audio doesn't make the purpose. Now you can do is take a nice hot bath. Okay, this light stomach is much important. Okay, without light stomach you will not get good sleep, that is guaranteed. So there is no excuse on that. So you have to be light food, take a nice hot bath, even cold bath also fine. Freshen up yourself, nice dress, go to get into your night dress, go to sleep. Now you do a breathing exercise. I spoke about this before also. This breathing exercise can be used so many places. When you're agitated, you can use this. When you're stressed, you can use it. It is basically to break the channel. Okay. So what happens? The 4, 7, 8. 4 seconds taking the breathing, like say 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. That is 4 seconds. Breathing in. Hold it. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007. Release it slowly. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008. Continue. Breathe in, hold it, listen. Why 1001? That is that when you're saying 1001, it is a 1 second. If you say 1, it is fraction of second. So when you say 1001, it is the actual timing for a second. Okay. See, little bit here and there, it's fine. What happens? This counting, the counting is very important. Andas, not approximate. Okay. Approximate what happened, then lot of other thoughts will come into your mind. So the counting is very important. You have to count yourself in the mind. 1000, like no need to call back. If you call out, you may not be able to breathe in, and so you have to mind. You have to say same thing and this thing. So what happened? It breaks the channel. And I can challenge you, if you can do it 15 or 20 times, and if you're not slept, come back to me. Okay. If you light stomach and if you do this, I can give it in writing, you will have a deep sleep. 1 hour, 2 hour deep sleep is good enough at 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Thereafter, even if you're waking up and you're not good sleep, period, fine. But this timing and this sleep will take care of your healing process. So I hope you got it. In case any doubt or anything, all my details are there. You can contact me, or and if you like this topic, and in fact you want to tell me some other topic to talk about, you can message me. We'll come back on with that. But otherwise, if you like it and if it benefits you, please share and subscribe for this channel. Thank you.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए वेकअप एंड शाइन चैनल को. स्टे पॉजिटिव, कीप शाइनिंग.